Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a running head in Microsoft Word step by step, the right way for academic papers like APA or MLA format. Whether you're using Word on Windows or Mac, I've got you covered. So without wasting time, let's get started. So here I have a document that I want us to go ahead and add a running head in it. So for us to do that, you will come here on the first page or the second page. At the top of every page up here, double click there. Then this will pop up. You have the footer and you have the header here. Then this ribbon at the top here, it will pop up. Then you can see the information here. So I want us to go ahead and click on page number. Then we will take the page number, the top page number. We will take the plain number 3 like this, click on it. Then you see this section, you have your numbers have already automatically being input in your document at the top page of your, the top part of your page. Then the next thing that I want us to do is to make sure that the first page in MLA format, the first page is different from other pages. So for us to do that, you click here, then you'll go to this section that says different first page. Then tick on that. Once you click on that, you find out that the number up here on your first page will disappear. Go back to page number the way you did, go to top of the page, plain number 3 like that. Then what you'll do is you go ahead and type in running head, then put the semicolon, then type in the topic in caps. Let's say, for example, the topic is click, learn. It's just simple, click, learn, and fix. So once you're done, click putting your topic there in caps lock, or both of them, or all of the topic has been bold, is in bold, and it's in capital letters. Then click tab, the first one, then the second one. Then your header will go to this section. Make sure your header is in Times New Romans highlighted. Then go back to home tab. Then you can see, you can make sure that it is in Times New Romans for APA format and font size is 12 like that. Then double click on your document. Then here you have a running head, which is click, learn, fix. That is your topic, if it's your topic like that. Then on the second page, you will come here and double click on it again. Then you will go ahead and type in only the topic. You not type in the word running head. So just type in click, learn, and fix. Once you've done, click click on your tab, the first one, then the second. And also make sure it is in Times New Romans, font size 12, like that. Then double click on your document. So on my first page, I have this that says running head, then the topic. Then I can come down here, I still have this click, learn, fix. Then once I scroll down like this, you see click, learn, and fix, click, learn, and fix. And that is how easily you can put a running head in your Microsoft Word to make sure that this is an APA format. So, and that is it. You have just added a perfect running head in Word. So if you found this video helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and let me know what tutorial you want me to make next. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.